This short is on an awesome little Colonial folding advertising knife. This is from Colonial Cutlery of Providence, Rhode Island. And I threw one measuring stick on the floor, so I'll have to use another one. And this was advertising for Beasley Rebuilders of Altoona, PA and Syracuse, New York. And I bring up the old lenticular thingy here. And we have issues. That overall it's 3 inches. The blades are 2 1/4 and probably just a fraction over 1. But this is a really clean, nice little knife. Of course, the advertising knives were so tiny that most people never used them for anything because they weren't useful for anything except maybe opening envelopes. Got mother of pearl on the sides. Fancy. Nice red advertising print.